Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just hit 30,000 miles and 2 years of ownership, so I thought I'd make this video of my full mod list of what I've done to my Subaru WRX 2018, including all of the performance mods as well, and how I was able to achieve 370 wheel and 360 wheel torque. So starting with the front, not much going on here, honestly. I got the stock limited headlights. I haven't changed those, anything about them yet. I did add the GRIMSPEED sequential fog light bezels. I really like those, it's a nice touch. And I also got the CS style front splitter. Another nice touch. A cheaper mod. On the side, not much either. This is my most recent mod that I've gotten. I got the Rays 57 CR in gunmetal blue. Definitely one of my favorite mods. They're 9.5 by 18 and they're wrapped in 255 Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Definitely handles a lot better after that. I can tell a big difference, especially in the rain. Definitely one of my favorite mods. In the back, not much going on here either. I got some overlay tint on my taillights. Those are still stock as well. And for the exhaust, I'm running the Invidia N1 dual catback resonated. And in front as well, I have the Invidia catless J pipe. Interior wise, not much going on. I just got my access port and I got a different shift knob, and I got the short throw shifter kit from PERRIN. So getting down to the more important stuff. Intake I'm running at the moment, MMA Performance cold air intake. No issues. I was running the PERRIN cold air intake before this, but I decided to get the MA Performance Stage 2 tune before I was Pro Tune, so that's why I have that one still. Just haven't changed it out yet. I got the PERRIN charge pipe for more airflow. I have EGR and TGV deletes, and yes, that is the stock intercooler. It wasn't in the budget to get that as well. I decided to get a couple other mods. I know that should be happening soon, hopefully, and I'll have to get a revision from my tuner. Over here I got the Boomba catch can, oil catch can, another good supporting mod. And I have the Cobb flex fuel kit down here. That was my option outside from the intercooler. I decided to get that instead. And with my Pro Tune, again, 370 wheel, 360 torque, I'm running around 23.5 pounds of boost. No issues. Out of my 2 years of ownership with this car, I've literally had like maybe one issue from factory, and that was the electric steering column. One of the bolts got loose in it, so I took it to Subaru and they got it fixed for me right away. But other than that, pretty much nothing. I've had a lot of good times in this car. Continue to plan on modding it and updating you guys on what I do to it. The only issue I've had with aftermarket parts was the PERRIN boost controller. I must have had a dud because it was really unfortunate. On my tuning day, I installed it. I had my base map and I drove all the way up there. It was about 2 hours, and when I got there, they're like, your boost controller is bad. So I didn't make the boost I wanted, and I didn't push the power that I was hoping for either, so I had to get another couple revisions after that. I ended up getting the GRIMSPEED one. I wish I just got that in the first place, but again, maybe that was just something on my end. I just got a 1 in a million dud, but I should have just gone for the GRIMSPEED one, a company that has been making them for a lot longer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are the basic mods you'll need to make over 350 wheel, for sure. And depending on your tuner, I definitely recommend STI Mikey if you live in the South Florida area. If he comes down again, he comes down a couple times a year. Definitely recommend him as a tuner. He's great. He's a little expensive, but it's definitely worth it. You don't want your car blowing up on you, especially after you spend all the money on mods. You want to feel reliable when you drive, and you don't want to feel like you don't want to do a pull in your car. So I definitely recommend him as a tuner. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. More to come for the Subi, and plan on making other videos with different cars. Hopefully we'll have a Supra coming up and more edits as well. Thanks for watching.